The natural processes are simply evolution. There's no God who had anything to do with it. No God who had
Evolution. It's how all things came to be.
What if I don't believe your idea?
Well, then you're in violation of the Constitution of the United States and the separation of church and state!
This, folks, is one of the great tragedies of your time. You folks are living in an age where God's word is being ignored, and fallible ideas are being held up as unquestioned truth, a truth that leads to despair.
People like Wendy are being taught that life is just an accident, the result of billions of years of chemical collisions.
Just think how it could change her life if Wendy found out that there really is purpose and meaning to her existence.
So, we've prepared a little multimedia presentation to go over a few key points. My man Mikey is going to run things from the back.
I'm going.